I am Max Yushenko, and this is the Anorexic Shoot of Doom.
Who am I?
Yes! I am the king of the mountain. Ha 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 ha. I want this whole thing to fall. Okay, ready? Good doing it.
But I am also known as... Anyway, we went skiing. Oh! Anyway, that led us here.
So basically, make sure everything goes right.
And then we found this. After those guys left, the next 3 days pretty much went like this. I'm going cat skiing in a couple days, so I had to fix my mount on my ski. We have the technology. We can rebuild him. The technology we had was sufficient and appropriate. The mount is fixed. Check it out. Here's what this angle looks like, as well as the angle for my pole. My toque is pink. Come on.